This is an in-class example of operations on a capacitated stack. So a capacitated stack is an object with the following variables. So we have a capacity, which tells us how many elements we can store on it, for example 20. We have the items as an array of size of the capacity, so an array of size 20 in this case, and a variable count, which tells us how many elements we have in the stack. So initially that is 0. So now if we, for instance, now push a 7 to the stack, so how do the variables change? We will insert the 7 on the position 0 of the item, and we can find the position where we want to insert it based on the count, and we want to increase the count by 1. If we now, for instance, want to check the size of the stack, so the number of elements currently stored in the stack, then that is simply a matter of returning the count. Now if we want to check whether a stack is empty, then we would simply check whether the count is 0.